Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Mary Jane. I am 35 years old from Cataran, Cagayan, Philippines. I am a single parent. I have one child, age is 15 years old. My highest educational attainment is college graduate, major in legal management. My expertise is child care and baby care. I work as a domestic helper for 9 years with two employers. Currently, I serve one couple and two children, age is 14 and 15. My duties are taking care of children, cooking Chinese and Western food, doing all household work like cleaning, laundry, ironing, and marketing. I am willing to take care of pets. To my future employer, Ma'am, sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, and a fast learner. I promise to be a good housemaid and promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract or more. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir, and looking forward to work with you.